Good evening guys. Today I am so happy to show you my new skin for my Surface Pro 9. This time it comes from a famous brand, the Dbrand. As you guys already know, Dbrand make a lot of high quality and durable skin, case and tempered glass for a variety of devices like phone, tablet and laptops. I used to have one on my iPad Pro first generation, and for 3 years it still lasts. So there's no doubt for me that I have to get one for each of my device if it is available. I bought it from the United States for $35, including shipping price to Cambodia. The different skin that most interested to me is the tear down skin. Unfortunately, I keep monitoring for almost 6 to 10 months to see if they make one for my Surface Pro 9, but till now they not even make a tear down skin for their latest Surface Pro 11. I just don't understand why, so I decided to go with the X-ray skin one, which is the closest to the tear down. I wish it more colorful, but luckily on the brand website, with one purchase of X-ray skin, you will get another one for free, which is a very big bonus in my opinion. So that's why I decided to go for it. So let's look around the packaging and unbox it. Okay, as you know from the brand, there is a pattern like that, which is look very interesting. Okay, this is the back. So you can see there is it's not a product, it's a culture. Okay. Okay, what else inside? Okay, that's all. Here is the X-ray skin. Okay, as you can see, I focus on the black one, but I also got the white one for free. So I got two for the replacement, which is a very big bonus. Okay, and it's feel very nice as always from the brand. Okay, and I think there is some tool, some microfiber cloth for the installation. Okay, oh, what else inside? Nothing else. Okay, okay, nothing here. Another, it's not a product, it's a culture. Okay. Different. Okay, now it's time to install. I try to go for the black one first for my Surface Pro 9. Okay, okay, I will try my best. I'm not always lucky when installing skin, but hope this time this is my best luck. Okay guys, the installation is finished. Okay, as always, it make your tablet look very sexy, very interesting, and very classy. That somehow show your personal style. It make the tablet feel more creepy for me. Okay, it make it more creepy. Okay, the thing that I hope can be better for Dbrand is there is also a skin protection for the side of this tablet. I saw they are available for iPad Pro lineup, but maybe because the Surface Pro side is rounded, not square, that's why they are not bothered to make one, since it's not gonna last anyway. And ultimately the tear down style, why don't they make one? I still can't understand in my head why this isn't happening. I hope they're gonna make one for the Surface Pro lineup in the near future. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's all for it. Let me know if you have any question. Please like and subscribe if you like those video. Thank you all and bye bye.